here. We're at my church. Here's a Firelight BG12. Firelight mini scan, 4-zone panel, Cyanide dialer, AT. Here we have another BG12. BG3. There's the people here. Here's another BG5. And then here's another. I'll test this one. That's not it. Really old. There's another FCA sign. Right there. It's either FCA or whoever. Here's the Firelight BG6. And in the down piece, there's push tab, screwdriver, LS501Us or whatever they are. And then this is not really up to code whatsoever. That doesn't even work. Here's the electrical panel, Firelight. No. Yep, emergency lights, Firelight panel shut off. There's supposed to be blackouts things on there, so that's not up to code. There's another one all the way down there. There's a push test on this somewhere. I'm not really sure where. Oh, no. Hold on. I gotta take a picture. Or, no, I can see. Let's see. There it is. No. Where is it? Whoa, I just noticed a little bit. I'm not sure what the test button is, but we can get it done here on my grandma's gallon. That doesn't work. I know. There's the picture button as well. And then there's another BG6. Not sure if there's anything. Oh, there's a fire riser. Fire riser. I got a tamper on it, so I can't do anything. I'm not surprised anymore. There's probably nothing in here.
What beast?
No, nothing in here. That's not up to code. There's supposed to be alarms in every room.
No, that is just for how kids allowed.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to find the test button again. Ah, there we go. The one that I tried to push test earlier, the button is hidden in the dark, so I can't see the indent of the button. But, well, no, it just tests the lights on it, because the lights are supposed to direct you where you're supposed to go if it's dark. And then There's an MRX there. There's a light. And here we've got these EPC monotone rebrand fuel stations everywhere. And then there's a FCI or a Fairlight horn up there. So, and then all of those are scattered around over there. And, to show faces, but there's one right there. And then make that sign. So. There's a Fairlight mini skid system. It's a 4-zone. So it's a Fairlight S4 has a 4024. So it's 24 volt with 4 zone. So